Hey guys, this here is a 1941 Royal Aristocrat, and it's pretty much a Royal Quiet Deluxe. Not quite as quiet, but a good deal faster. And this thing is fully functional. It's got the ribbon selector, touch control, the directional change for the ribbon, and you set the tabs the same way with the magic margin right here, or you can flip this back and move them manually, the left one and the right one. I'll give you a type sample and I'll show you at the end of the video what I wrote out to show you everything's aligned and working good. Made some mistakes, but you'll see. Now I'll show you all the numbers. Symbols, and this does have backspace, which is right here. If you mess up, just go back a few. It does have tabs. I think there's 5 you can set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I guess that's 5. But yeah, this thing is ready to type. It's got variable line spacing right here. You can do a single or double, which is pulled forward, back, single again. And this is the type sample right here. And you can see the ribbon is probably about, I don't know, halfway. You should probably get a new ribbon, but this will last you if you want to use it while your new one arrives. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Thanks, guys.